Cats are known for their remarkable sense of smell, which plays a crucial role in their daily lives. From marking their territory to identifying potential prey, a cat's sense of smell is highly developed and often guides their behavior. While every cat has its own unique preferences, there are certain scents that tend to be favored by felines, as well as scents they may dislike. Let's explore some of the cat's favorite scents and their dislikes. Favorite scents. Catnip. Catnip is a member of the mint family and has a powerful effect on many cats. The scent of catnip triggers a playful and euphoric response in cats, often leading to rolling, rubbing, and increased activity. Not all cats respond to catnip, but for those that do, it's a favorite scent that can provide hours of entertainment. Valerian. Valerian root has a similar effect on cats as catnip. The scent is known to stimulate playfulness and can be found in various cat toys and sprays. Some cats are even more responsive to valerian than catnip, so it's worth trying out if your feline friend doesn't show much interest in catnip. Freshly cooked meat. The aroma of freshly cooked meat can be irresistible to cats. Whether it's chicken, fish, or beef, the scent of a delicious meal can make your feline companion come running. However, it's important to note that while the smell may be tantalizing, not all human foods are safe for cats, so be cautious about sharing. Mint and lavender. While cats typically dislike strong fragrances, they often have a fondness for the scents of mint and lavender. These herbal fragrances are calming for cats and can help create a relaxing environment. Many cat owners use mint or lavender-scented products, such as litter or bedding, to provide a soothing atmosphere for their furry friends. Disliked scents. Citrus. Cats generally have an aversion to citrus scents. The strong smell of citrus fruits, such as oranges and lemons, can be off-putting to them. If you want to deter your cat from certain areas, using citrus-scented sprays can be an effective method. Strong perfumes and cleaning products. Cats have a highly sensitive olfactory system, and strong perfumes or cleaning product odors can be overwhelming for them. These artificial scents can cause discomfort, or even trigger allergic reactions in some cats. It's best to use mild, cat-friendly cleaning products and avoid using heavy perfumes around your feline companion. Ammonia. Ammonia-based cleaners, often used for cleaning litter boxes, have a pungent smell that cats find unpleasant. While it may effectively clean the box, it's important to ensure that the odor has completely dissipated before allowing your cat to use it again. Cats are more likely to avoid a litter box with lingering ammonia odors. Medicinal odors. Cats often dislike the smell of medication, whether it's a topical ointment, flea treatment, or oral medication. The scent of these substances can be unappealing to felines. It's important to handle medications with care and follow the instructions provided by your veterinarian to ensure your cat's safety and well-being. Understanding a cat's favorite scents and dislikes can help you create a comfortable and stimulating environment for your feline companion. Remember, each cat is unique, so it's essential to observe their individual preferences. Providing a variety of scents and toys can enrich their sensory experiences and contribute to their overall happiness and well-being.